All right, guys. All four job checks are done. The first job is the stone veneer job. It's looking excellent. Super happy. There was one little spot that I asked him to touch up, and Sean's going to take care of that today. That's expected to be done today. Hopefully, maybe not, maybe tomorrow, but we're hoping for today. The second job was removing a drop ceiling and bringing the whole height of the ceiling up to the original level. Jeff's on that job with Derek. They're doing a great job. And then the third job check was installing studs to accept aluminum shutters and putting up the shutters. We're doing that. Got two guys there. That's also a Sean's project. That's looking great. Customer's happy. The fourth job was a patio post replacement. My guy wasn't there right now. He said he had to run to Home Depot to get something. So, and it was raining, so I didn't really want to get out of the truck. But he's gonna send me a bunch of pictures on that. So far, all four of the customers are super happy. Everything is going great. The whole team is performing at 100%. Knock on wood. Hopefully, this is it. Just keeps going forward at this momentum. I'm super grateful, and it's been a good day today. Just want to give you guys an update. Please like, subscribe, and share, guys. Thank you.